There are only a few places as astonishingly beautiful and challenging as this hillside site in Sierra Leone. Constructing a home that does justice to these breathtaking views takes skill, passion, and a hint of magic. And here, with two competing designs for this dream home, the stakes couldn't be higher. So which design will capture the spirit of Sierra Leone while embracing the couple's modern aesthetic? Stay tuned to follow the journey of this remarkable project. These modern, contemporary, multi-bedroom mansions, blending elegance with functionality, showcasing the latest in luxury living within the heart of Sierra Leone. As the client's dream home takes shape, they envision a sanctuary that feels both lavish and welcoming. This site came with unique challenges: a sloping terrain, rocky ground, and distinct privacy considerations from the nearby residents. To harmonize the design with the landscape, we devised a plan that prioritizes natural flow and neighbors' privacy while maximizing the stunning views Sierra Leone offers. Our journey with the Build Salone team involved exploring two distinct visions. The first design featured a 4-bedroom, 3-story, 532 square meters house. While the second was a larger 3-bedroom, 3-story design covering 769 square meters. Both options included a double-height great room, lower and upper lounges, a gym, a home office, and then suite bedrooms with an opulent primary suite. This home is positioned to let light flood in through large windows and glass doors, creating a bright and airy feel that brings the outside in. Working on the layout, we ensured each room felt spacious yet connected to the rest of the home. To capture the essence of Sierra Leone, we chose materials that echo the warmth and texture of the region. A minimalistic look, polished woods, and natural stones define the interiors. While the exteriors feature weather-resistant finishes that are durable yet simple, clean-looking. Each selection was carefully considered to blend with the local environment while adding a contemporary touch. Visualizing these materials in 3D helped us refine the textures, ensuring that every corner of the home reflects elegance and comfort. As we take you through the completed spaces, note how each room flows seamlessly, balancing privacy with openness. Large, glass surfaces maximize views while maintaining privacy. And strategic design choices address every unique site challenge gracefully. The client mentioned this over the course of the project. Working with the DPRO.design team has been incredible. Managing a project from North America with a construction site in Sierra Leone and a design team in Uganda wasn't easy, but their communication and dedication made the process seamless. Both designs embodied our wish for luxury, comfort, and connection to nature. The large windows and sliding glass doors invite the outdoors in, while the clean, contemporary lines keep the look timeless. Throughout the past few years of construction, the team has been readily available to advise and clarify any uncertainties in the drawings and to discuss possible alterations. Their support has been invaluable. We're especially impressed with how they maintained visual privacy from our neighbors without compromising view. We can't wait to see this home come to life, and we're excited to share the progress on our YouTube channel. Check out the link in the description to the Build Salone channel and subscribe to see which design we chose to proceed with